If you're a software developer or tester using Copilot Chat in VS Code, you've probably seen modes like Agent, Ask, and Edit. But did you know you can create your own custom chat modes designed specifically for your workflow? That's exactly what we'll explore in this video. A custom chat mode is just a markdown file with two parts. Front matter, where you define the description, tools, and model. The second part is instructions, where you define the purpose of the chat mode and how AI should behave. For example, response style, available tools, focus areas, and any mode-specific instructions or constraints. Let's now define our own custom chat mode to generate the test cases based on the user stories. In GitHub Copilot, expand the Set Mode dropdown and click on Configure Modes. Next, click on Create New Custom Chat Mode File. Then select User Data folder. Enter the name for your custom mode, and then you see the beginning template for the chat mode file. I'll then paste the front matter and instructions for my custom test generator. You can use tools like Codebase, Fetch, Search, or select other tools from the list of available options, depending on your use case. In the instructions section, we specified to the chat mode, you are in test case generation mode. Your primary task is to create detailed, clear, and actionable test cases based on the user stories or requirements you are given. Then we provided details about the output format, the columns to be included in the CSV file, and the exact meaning of each column. At the end, we also mentioned that after generating all test cases in the correct CSV format, write the content to a CSV file. Once you save this markdown file, it will become available in your chat dropdown. Time to put this chat mode to the test. Here's a sample form I put together for this demo. This is a sample CSV file containing Jira user stories for this form. Here's my prompt for the custom chat mode. Generate test cases for the user stories given in the CSV file. When I hit enter, Copilot starts working on generating the test cases. The test cases are now ready, created as per the instructions defined in our custom chat mode. Next time you need to create test cases for any other feature, you can simply switch to this chat mode. There's no need to repeat the instructions each time. Now it's your turn. Create a custom chat mode and tailor GitHub Copilot to fit your specific needs, whether it's reviewing code, optimizing SQL queries, or documenting test strategies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world AI tips for software testers. Happy testing!